Okay, so I'm seriously obsessed with party decorations, especially garlands. Man, the store-bought ones are just bad and overpriced. Even my kids like, "Mom, you can make better stuff." So I was like, "Yeah, and we can make it eco-friendly by using stuff that we have laying around the house." And boom, this video, 5 easy trash to treasure garland ideas was born. Seriously, it's crazy what you can make. So sit back and relax and watch how to make eco-friendly garlands for birthdays, holidays, or just because. All right, first up, a classic birthday banner. And since those store-bought ones are basically just flimsy cardboard anyway, I figured a cereal box would be perfect. For shapes, you can go classic circles or get fancy balloon shapes like I did with this spatula. Once they're cut out, just paint them up, and if you're feeling sparkly, throw on some glitter. Pop a few holes in the top, and then just string them onto some yarn. What I love about this is that you can achieve maximum party vibes in an eco-friendly way. It's basically free. Okay, so the whole boho beach vibe, super easy with plastic bottles. I know, upcycling plastic sounds intimidating, but trust me, it's a piece of cake. No fancy tools needed. I'll show you how. Carefully use a sharp knife or the point of your scissors to start each line. Use your scissors to continue the cut. Just trim the jagged edges off and get them lined up and ready to be stapled. That's right, I said stapled. Yeah, it's hard to believe that you can actually staple together this thin type of plastic. Now use a Beachy color palette and permanent markers. I use both transparent and opaque Sharpies. I like to add multiple textures to my boho style decor, so I added this fuzzy yarn and some tassels with wooden beads. Voila! Beachy boho for pennies on the dollar. I feel like I'm gonna have this hanging up all summer long. Spring vibes alert. Mushrooms are the new spring thing, and the easiest, most economical way to make mushroom garlands is by using plastic Easter eggs. And here's yet another upcycle. Cut stem shapes from a toilet paper tube and then just color them in with coordinating colors. Glue stems into the mushroom tops, and optionally, you can add some colorful strips of tape. And say hello to spring with this unique mushroom-themed garland that I think actually would be really cute for a baby shower as well. Heads up, this toilet paper tube garland DIY gets a little wild. You can paint them the normal way, or you can use my impatient person hack. Trust me, the possibilities are insane. Another idea. And insanely fun. You know, you just break out your power drill and things go crazy. I didn't make a huge mess. Bonus. I mean, ow. Glitter, right? Okay, now I've lost my mind with this glitter shaking technique. But hey, crafting should be fun, right? To create a faux ribbon look, you'll want to cut your cardboard tubes into 1/2-inch strips. Then fold them over the string and staple them together. I was incredibly surprised by how delicate and trendy this looks, especially when combined with my next craft. With eggs costing a fortune these days, I thought, why not make something fancy from the egg carton? Turns out, it's ridiculously easy. And honestly, this eco-friendly DIY is my favorite of the bunch. I bet you'd find something just like this at Anthropologie or Crate & Barrel, easily selling for $40 or more. All right, so this plastic is way easier to cut than bottles, trust me. Once you've got your strips, the real fun starts. I picked colors that work for spring and fall because, you know, I like decor that can pull double duty. Once you cut out the cones, they'll have jagged edges, which can easily be trimmed with a smaller pair of scissors. And don't worry about perfect edges. Flowers aren't perfect anyway. That's their charm. Now grab your hot iron, no steam, and sandwich the flower between parchment paper, cone up. Press for a few seconds, and bam, fanned out petals. Trim them up, add some blings, buttons, gems, whatever. Instead of holes, I clipped clothespins on the back so I can string them up or stick them on anything I want. Super versatile, right? It's crazy how easy and cute these are. And the more you upcycle, the more high-end your display looks. I'm gonna be making a ton more for everyone I know. Which one is your favorite? Leave a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun trash to treasure projects. See you next time.